This is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer showing you a 2011 model Terex PT30 model. This is a really cool little machine, and I say little machine, I mean it is small. You can get into places like, to clean out horse pens, clean out stalls, go do landscaping in the backyard with this machine where you couldn't with a larger machine. And when I say little machine, it's little in size. It ain't little in what it's capable of doing. I mean, this is a really cool machine. What I like about it, it's the fact that it is small. It means I can get in between trees. I can get through gates. I can clean out horse stalls. I can get in places I couldn't get in with a regular machine, but when this machine is not little in what it can do. It's a very fast little machine. This machine has an excellent set of tracks on it, has an excellent undercarriage, it runs like a dream, has joystick controls. Does it have auxiliary hydraulics? You bet it does. Just like a full-size machine, has the electric hookup. It's ready to go with anything you want to hook up to it. Just an awesome little machine. I'm going to hand the camera over to my wife, and I'm going to get in it, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. You heard of the little train that could? Well, this is a little skid steer that can. I really like it. Watch how fast this machine is. This machine only has 800 hours on it. It runs like a dream. You'll love it. You love everything about it, and it's affordable. Of course, they're all affordable here in Texas Skid Steer. This one is only $17,900, and it's awesome. You can call me at 817-726-7082, or you can go to our website, TexasSkidSteer.com, and look at all of our machines that we have for sale. You have a wonderful day. Oh, by the way, we offer shipping all over the United States. It's not a problem if you're in, California, or if you're up in New York, or you're in Florida, or wherever. We've got fully insured shipping. Give us a call, 817-726-7082. Thank you. You have a great day.